Have you ever gazed up at the moon, letting your imagination wander, and wondered what it would truly feel like to set foot on its mysterious, ancient surface? For centuries, the moon has inspired poets, scientists, and dreamers alike, its silvery glow a constant companion in our night sky. For decades, only a select few astronauts have had the extraordinary privilege of walking on the lunar surface, leaving footprints that remain undisturbed to this day. But now, as technology advances and ambitions grow, a new era is dawning, one that promises to open the moon to many more explorers. Space agencies and private companies around the world are racing to return to the moon, not just for a brief visit, but with the bold goal of building a lasting human presence there. At the forefront of this movement is Blue Origin, a company dedicated to making space travel not just possible, but routine and accessible for people from all walks of life. Their ambitious vision is nothing short of revolutionary. Millions of people living and working in space, with the first step being a permanent, thriving presence on the moon's surface. Central to this vision is the Blue Moon Lander, a sophisticated spacecraft designed to safely ferry astronauts, scientific equipment, and vital cargo from lunar orbit down to the surface, enabling longer and more productive missions. This groundbreaking effort is a key part of NASA's Artemis program, which aims to return humans to the moon and push the boundaries of exploration even further. For the first time in history, Artemis will land the first woman and the first person of color on the moon, making lunar exploration more inclusive and representative of all humanity. The ultimate goal is to establish a sustainable outpost, a base where astronauts can live, work, and conduct groundbreaking research for months at a time. To achieve this, NASA is partnering with innovative companies like Blue Origin, blending decades of government expertise with the fresh ideas and agility of private industry. To turn these ambitious plans into reality, Blue Origin has built a state-of-the-art factory in Florida, dedicated to producing the next generation of lunar vehicles. Inside this cutting-edge facility, engineers and technicians work tirelessly, assembling spacecraft with precision and care, transforming dreams of lunar exploration into tangible hardware. This is more than just a factory, it's a launchpad for humanity's next giant leap, a place where the future of space travel is being built piece by piece. The journey to the moon is no longer a distant dream, it's unfolding right now, and soon, the next chapter of lunar exploration will be written by a new generation of pioneers. Blue Origin's Lunar Plant 1 is a massive state-of-the-art facility located on Florida's iconic Space Coast, just a stone's throw from legendary launch pads. This advanced factory is dedicated to building Blue Moon landers, spacecraft designed to deliver cargo and eventually people to the lunar surface. With 200,000 square feet of brand new manufacturing space, it's a hub of innovation, technical expertise, and bold ambition, where the future of lunar exploration is being shaped every day. The entire campus now spans over 3 million square feet, an area larger than 50 football fields, filled with cutting-edge engineering, research, and development. Built in just 18 months, the factory reflects the urgency and competitive spirit of the new lunar race. Inside, highly skilled teams assemble landers, test critical components, and rigorously prepare every system for the harsh realities and extreme conditions of space travel. The facility's design allows for efficient simultaneous work on multiple landers, dramatically speeding up production and enabling rapid progress. From raw materials to finished spacecraft, Lunar Plant 1 is the beating heart of Blue Origin's lunar ambitions, where vision becomes reality. Here, in this remarkable facility, the vehicles that will return us to the moon are coming to life, one mission, one lander at a time. Blue Origin is building two versions of its Blue Moon lander, Mark 1 and Mark 2. Mark 1 is a robotic cargo lander, set to deliver supplies and equipment to the lunar surface ahead of astronauts. Its first mission is scheduled for late 2025, after rigorous testing in NASA's thermal vacuum chambers. Mark 2 is the crewed version, designed for the Artemis V mission, with advanced life support for astronauts. Blue Origin's flexible approach means they could accelerate their timeline if needed, providing backup if other landers face delays. Having two landers and two companies ensures a robust, reliable return to the moon. This dual-track strategy is key to building a sustainable lunar outpost. The future of lunar exploration depends on versatility and readiness. The Blue Moon landers need a powerful rocket to reach the moon. Enter New Glenn, Blue Origin's heavy-lift, reusable rocket. New Glenn's first flight in January 2025 marked a milestone for the company and the industry. The Mark 1 lander will launch on New Glenn's third mission, showcasing Blue Origin's confidence in its technology. With rockets and landers built side by side on Merritt Island, logistics are streamlined and efficient. This integrated approach minimizes delays and risks, allowing for rapid mission turnaround. Engineers can quickly move between factory and launch pad, solving problems in real time. Blue Origin's setup supports frequent launches, opening a new highway to the moon and beyond. The path to the cosmos is being paved right here on Earth. NASA's strategy for lunar landings is both bold and smart. By selecting two companies and two different landers, they're aiming for one ambitious goal: a sustainable return to the moon. Blue Origin and SpaceX are each building their own human landing systems, fueling healthy competition and providing a crucial backup if one design faces setbacks. SpaceX's Starship will take on the first two Artemis crewed missions, ferrying astronauts to the lunar surface, while Blue Origin's Blue Moon is scheduled to debut with Artemis 5, expanding the program's capabilities. Starship is a massive, all-in-one vehicle designed for deep space travel and heavy cargo. Blue Moon, on the other hand, is a multi-stage lander built for repeated lunar missions and long-term reliability. This rivalry between two industry leaders drives rapid innovation, lowers costs for NASA, and ensures the Artemis program remains resilient in the face of challenges. Blue Origin's focus is on building the infrastructure for long-term lunar operations, aiming to deliver crews, cargo, and scientific equipment to the moon for years to come. The friendly competition and occasional collaboration between these two giants only strengthens the Artemis program and pushes the boundaries of what's possible. Two innovative designs, two bold visions, yet one shared dream, expanding humanity's reach beyond Earth and inspiring a new generation of explorers. The next historic footsteps on the moon will be the result of this dynamic partnership, marking a new era of exploration and cooperation. Blue Origin's expansion is transforming Florida's Space Coast, bringing thousands of high-tech jobs and revitalizing the region. The new Lunar Plant 1 alone will add at least 1,500 skilled positions from engineers to technicians. This economic boost ripples through the community, supporting local businesses and schools. Blue Origin is also creating career pathways for local students, inspiring the next generation of space explorers. The Space Coast, once uncertain after the shuttle era, is booming again. Rockets roar and excitement for space is everywhere. This new era isn't just about reaching the stars, it's about building stronger communities on Earth. The future of spaceflight is lifting up entire regions. The opening of Lunar Plant 1 is a symbol of humanity's renewed commitment to space exploration. We're not just planning brief visits, we're building the infrastructure for a permanent lunar presence. This shift opens new opportunities for science, discovery, and innovation. Competition and collaboration between Blue Origin, SpaceX, and others are accelerating progress. The technologies developed for the moon will benefit life on Earth and beyond. Every lander built is a step toward becoming a multiplanetary species. The moon is our stepping stone to Mars and the wider cosmos. The future is being built now, one rocket, one lander, one dream at a time.